This is Fishing Malibu Pier. What's the date today? Yeah, and this is quiet, calm. You hear the ocean. About 5 minutes ago, we had what did we have over here? Disco Tech Malibu.
Can you post this on YouTube?
Maybe. You want to say hi to your future self when you see this when you're very old? Is this your first time fishing on a pier? Really? Are we gonna catch a fish? Okay. I can't wait to capture it. I've got squid on this line. And what do you got over here? We gotta reel it in a little bit. It looks a little bit loose there, the line. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You could have a fish around there. Yeah, you could have a fish already looking. Okay, slow. Don't drop it, because I'm not swimming in there for it. Uh-oh, I think you got a bite over here. Nah, maybe not.
Can I reel it in?
No, let it stay. A little bit, just a little bit. No, let it stay. I want the fish to come up to it. Hey, Dad, give me the impression of the music we had about 5 minutes ago. Did you like that music? No? Isn't that peaceful now? No problems.
Why are there pigeons around here and not squid?